Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to add music to a Canva website. The first thing you need to do is open Canva and locate your website design. Once your project is open, leave it there for a moment and open up a web browser. In the search bar, type in lsite.com. This platform allows us to create widgets for websites, and it is free to use with some optional paid upgrades. Once the site is open, look for the section called Widgets. Scroll down until you find the audio options. You will see audio player, background music, podcast player, and radio player. For this tutorial, I am going to use the audio player. This widget is code-free and allows you to add and showcase tracks directly on your site with a simple customizable player. Scroll down the page and click on Create Your Audio Player widget. Here you can choose a template. Select the one that fits your design. Here you can customize the template by adding tracks and customizing the layouts. Click Publish. You will see a window that gives you two choices. You can either use the embed code or copy a share link. For this video, I will use the share link. Now go back to Canva. Select the page where you want to place the music player. Add a heading if you like, then right-click, choose Link, and paste in the share link. Change the display mode from Link to Embed. The player will now appear on your Canva website, and you can adjust its position and size. That is how you add music to your Canva website. Thanks for watching.